to find Rochester. When you know where Rochester is, you're going to have to look in the Generalized Bedrock Geology of New York State. And that's in your reference tables. Look for Rochester. If there aren't so many areas and cities on that map, so if you look for Rochester, you'll see it's near Niagara Falls. And this whole area over here, it shows you it's an area above the Finger Lakes area. So, yeah, and it's underneath Lake Ontario. Now where you know Rochester is, from the Generalized Bedrock Geology of New York State, and you know it's right under Lake Ontario. What's under Lake Ontario? Look at the generalized, you have to look at part 2, which is the generalized landscape reference chart. And if you look at the generalized landscape regions of New York State, right underneath Lake Ontario, to the right of Niagara Falls, is the area anterior lowlands plains. So the question is, so we know that Rochester is in the area anterior lowlands, and the question is, the hill shown on this map is found in which New York landscape region? So the answer is answer 4. A person might think it might be answer 1 or 2 because it's mountains, right? It's not mountains, it's just a hill. Person might think it's answer 3, Atlantic coastal plain, right? It's also not answer 3. It's not a coastal plain. It's answer 1. It's answer 4. Correct answer to question 41. The hill shown on this map is found in which New York State landscape region? The area anterior lowlands. Don't always take a map that they show you and try to answer it without knowing what the whole question is asking. Look back to what they said to you in question 38. Questions 38 through 41 goes according to the information they give you before question 38. In question 41, they don't give you enough information. From question 38 to 41, till you get to 41, you don't have any information again that's Rochester. You have to look back at what they say to you. Base your answers. It says base your answers questions 38 through 41 on the counter map below, which shows a hill formed from glacial deposition near Rochester, New York. Near Rochester means the Rochester area, and we saw on the generalized bedrock map, this is Rochester near Niagara Falls, and on the generalized landscape we saw it was in the area anterior lowlands. So the correct answer to 41 is answer 4.